So I've had a few comments asking about how this Cabots deck correct paint is held up. So I was going to just show you a quick little video of how it's held up for us here. So the first thing I wanted to show you was the rails. We painted the rails here, the top rail with the Cabots deck correct. And there's no flaking or chipping. And we painted the white part of the rails here with just regular exterior paint. And you can see where it's chipping and cracking from the sun. You just kind of pull out here. You can see both the deck correct and the regular paint here. Painted at the same time, but look totally different. No cracking, no chipping. Again, because I think I've heard a lot of complaints about this stuff, but I think if you take it down to bare wood, it lets it stick to it better. I'll show you the main deck here. Kind of look under the rug here. This is covered up, but it gets wet and moist under the rug there. No damage, no chipping, no cracking. The rest of the deck looks good. And you got a few little spots, like right here, where the nails kind of come out. We've hammered it down, but that's just because the nails popping up. Other than that, this is Tank, our little puppy here. I was gonna show you Tank's nails. He comes out here and enjoys the porch with us. But the reason I show you his nails is because I wanted to show you something here. You got this little dark spot here, but that's just rust from this gate that we put up. But right here, where the two porches come together, the left-hand side here, we use the deck correct, and the right side here, we used a regular exterior Valspar paint. And you can just kind of see the difference here. The right side, it's hard to see with the lighting. This side is already chipping, cracking. The dog walking on it is just scratching the paint. But you look at the deck correct, same, painted at the same time. Dog walks on both. And you can just kind of see the difference. Now, granted, and this is a little, the deck correct is just a slightly different color. It's not faded, it's just a slight different color. But I could have washed the deck, I guess. Made it look a little better, but I'm not trying to make it look pretty. I'm just trying to show you the actual use. This is, the dog goes up and down these stairs, you know, every day, multiple times, and no chips. And he walks over here, and you can see the difference. And that's just basically from the dog. The sun doesn't hit over here like it does on this part of the porch. But again, dog walks over here, and you don't have anything that looks like that over there. So just wanted to show that to you. So in my opinion, the deck correct costs a little extra, but it's totally worth it, and highly recommend it. So as far as I'm concerned, Cabots deck correct, great paint, does what it says it does. I think it's just important to prepare the wood right, get it down to bare wood before you apply it. But for me personally, I love it. It's great. The good wear and tear resistance for the dog. Sun's beating down on it, and you know, it's doing its job. It's holding on. So totally recommend it. Hope this video helps you out.